In this video, we'll quickly go through the buttons on the Orqa FPV controller. The function of each button is already assigned by default according to most commonly used FPV configurations, intended to be used as such primarily in Orqa FPV.SkyDive simulator, but they can always be changed arbitrarily. On the upper side of the controller, we have two gimbal sticks. The functionalities of the left gimbal stick are called throttle and yaw. Pushing the left stick up or down changes the drone's altitude, moving it up or down along the vertical axis, while pushing the stick to the left or right rotates the drone in the same direction, around the vertical axis. The functionalities of the right gimbal stick are called pitch and roll. Pushing the right stick up or down rotates the drone forwards or backwards, around the lateral axis, and pushing it to the left or right rotates the drone from side to side, around the longitudinal axis. Single press of the A button shows the currently used model on the LED lights. Long press of the A button is used to change between the models, and holding the A button while powering on the controller starts the update mode. Single press of the B button shows the status of the Bluetooth connection. Blue light means connected, and red disconnected. Long pressing the B button disconnects the controller from all other devices that are currently memorized. The power button on the back side of the controller is used to turn the controller on and off. On the front side of the controller, we have the left latching button, used to arm or disarm the drone, and the right non-latching button, used to reset the drone position in the simulator. The left three-way switch button is used to change the flight mode, enabling the user to change between acro, angle, and horizon mode. The right three-way switch button does not have a predefined function, meaning it can be used arbitrarily. Before using the controller to fly real drones, it is recommended to manually assign functions of each button. Thanks for watching, and fly safe.